water treatment's often a science and an art. My name is Bill Riley. I'm one of the owners of William H. Riley & Company, based in Portland, Oregon. We're the manufacturer's representative for Myox in the Pacific Northwest, and we're just really excited to be working with the city of Richland on their upgrade to the Myox system. They wanted to get away from chlorine gas, and they evaluated a number of different ways to go, and in the end selected on-site generation of hypochlorite and mixed oxidants. The city of Richland's water source is the Columbia River, and it's a very high quality water, which can be difficult to treat at times. The simplicity and the reliability of the Myox system has really dovetailed into how they operate those plants. The operators that operate and maintain the system at Richland are doing a fantastic job.
I am Pat Everham. I am the water manager for the city of Richland. We follow the regulations of both the federal and the state laws that require clean, safe water for our citizens. Part of the requirements of our National Pollutant Discharge Elimination Permit is that we have to chlorinate prior to being discharged back to the Columbia River. But it's huge that we are a good steward to our community and that we're putting back good clean water that's going to be reused downstream from where we are.
My name is Dave Trotter. I'm a plant operator on the Richland water team. Our source water is straight out of the Columbia River, and we treat it down to under 0.1 NTU for turbidity. The city of Richland's water system is fairly complex and very spread out. The operations team drives on average 80 to 100 miles a day, checking pump stations, taking samples. We have 18 reservoirs and 8 pump stations, and we sample about 28 locations for water quality. We have on-site generators that generate the sodium hypochlorite. It is controlled by our SCADA. They run 2 at a time, and they run in series and rotation. The system is really automated. It comes on demand based on tank levels. The table salt mixed with soft water is electrolyzed. The Myox produces 0.4% sodium hypochlorite, which is very safe to handle. As an operator, the operational safety factor is very important to me. The high risks and hazards of working with chlorine gas have really been eliminated with on-site generators, not to mention the city mitigating that risk to the community.
Hi, my name is Mike Coleman. I work for the city of Richland. I'm the wastewater treatment plant mechanic. Everything that goes down your drain ends up at the wastewater treatment plant. My main goal is to try to keep the plant running as effectively and efficiently as possible. Before we had the Myox, we had 1-ton chlorine gas containers. Every 2 years, you'd have to tear equipment down to rebuild it because of how caustic the gas was. The same building we had the ton containers in, that's where we've put the new on-site generators. They take up a smaller footprint. They're very user-friendly. They save us a lot of time. We have 2 5,100-gallon bulk storage tanks that we fill every day. We inject that in our effluent structure, and we try to achieve and maintain a 0.35%. We really don't have any odor control now. It's pretty well balanced. It smells like you're playing in a pool.
Today we're finding a more stable residual throughout the whole system that's not requiring as much effort to maintain. We have programs designed so that we can move that water and maintain that fresh chlorine residual. The on-site generation has helped us be able to dial that feed rate in. Since we've gone to on-site generation, we're a much safer organization, and we feel a much higher comfort level in what we're providing to our citizens, the safety and the impact on our environment.